I used to say that I was a Black and then fill in the blank. So I was a Black woman, I was a Black Christian, I was a Black whatever. But today I am a Christian woman who happens to bear brown skin. My culture and my ethnic background and my skin color are all matters of providence. God providentially allowed me to be born with the skin color that I was born with. I had nothing to do with that. And so, yes, my skin color or my culture takes second seat to my identity in Christ. I am a Christian. I am a child of God. My skin color, my ethnic background, my culture should never keep me from relationship with someone else. What the Bible is saying is that because of Christ's work, cultural enemies can become family. In Ephesians chapter 2, Paul writes about this dividing wall of hostility that's been torn down. In the old temple system, there was a place where non-Jews couldn't go. But because of Christ's death, there has now been a way made back to God where both Jews and Gentiles, anyone who is not a Jew, both have access to. And this is really the heart of the gospel, that regardless of skin color, regardless of ethnic background, regardless of socioeconomic status, this dividing wall that would separate us, A, from God, and B, from one another, has been torn down. And so what we see in the life and ministry of Jesus is that he came and he took fishermen and tax collectors, people who would never have gotten along, and he brought them close to him, and their hearts were changed, and they became disciples, but they became brothers as well. And then when we look into the first century church, we see barbarians and Scythians and slaves and centurions and Romans and Jews all coming to faith in Christ and becoming brothers and sisters. In Galatians 3, it says that and in Colossians 3, it says that there's neither Jew nor Gentile, slave nor free, male nor female. It is not that we all come into a relationship with Christ and now we all become clear or we all become part of the majority culture. That's not what the Bible is saying. What the Bible is saying is that because of Christ's work, those who have put their faith, hope, and trust in Jesus are now brothers and sisters. That doesn't mean we're going to get everything right all the time. It doesn't mean that every once in a while we won't have to have a hard conversation. But what that does mean is that we are family and we are united. And that can only happen through the work of the gospel. Anti-racism will never get you there. Anti-racism will require that you work and work and work to be able to get to unity. But in Christ, it is finished. Our unity is solidified. There is only hope for unity in Jesus.